Hey there, East Palo Alto homers. Are you curious about what's going on in the real estate market right now? This is your East Palo Alto market update. Let's dive right in and take a look. First up right here, let's see what we have going on. This is our list price. As you can see, pricing in East Palo Alto honestly hasn't moved too much year over year. It's almost immediately left to right. And stay tuned because I'll give you my prediction moving ahead. But first, let's get this graph out of the way and let's take a look at the next one. This is the list to sales price ratio. As you can see, both pricing and list to sales price ratio right now are in a little bit of a downturn. Not bad by any means. This just means that homes are selling pretty much at list price. You can see 100% of list price. They were selling a little bit over. They've kind of fluctuated a little bit in there. But for the most part, right now, what you need to know is homes are selling for pretty much around list price. And let's take a look at that days to sell. That'll give us a really good indication about what's going on in the market. All right, coming up right here, we have days to sell. As you can see, days to sell are on a little bit of an upswing, which means homes are taking a little bit longer to sell. They're selling right around list price overall, but still almost for the same price they have been for the past 5 years, give or take a little bit, of course. So what this means for you is that you basically need to know that homes are selling, generally speaking, within the first 40 to 30 days, give or take. If you have a nice home and it's priced well, I can tell you from experience, they generally will sell fairly quickly with multiple offers. Not a ton, but anywhere from 1, 2, 3, 4 offers. That's kind of what you're seeing now. Or it might take a couple weeks to get an offer. But we're seeing more of a balanced market right now, which we haven't seen in the Bay Area for some time. Higher interest rates, keeping a damper on buy and demand, but that should go down in the future. Inventory is up, but it's nowhere near what it was pre-pandemic levels, but it's not as bad as it was during the pandemic either. So we're seeing right now, the overall answer is we're seeing kind of more of a balanced market. And my prediction moving ahead, I think you're gonna see more of this. Let's keep an eye on inflation data because that'll be the big indicator. If inflation data comes in good for us, the Fed might be more inclined to lower than interest rate. I think that we still have 1 to 2, maybe more like 1 interest rate cut in us for this year. I think you're gonna see interest rates come in right around 6.5% towards the end of the year. Let me know if you found that helpful, and if you're thinking about making plans, give me a call so we can strategize on what the best move is for you, whether it is to wait, to sell now. I'm happy to chat. Give me a call. Look forward to hearing from you.